Hey guys, so this is probably going to be a short video, but I just want to draw your attention to what's going on with Dogecoin right now. I'm on the weekly time frame, and actually, before I get into it, I should mention that if this is your first time watching one of my videos, you might want to subscribe. If you enjoy the TA, you might want to subscribe because I'm a very small channel, just getting started, and because of that, because of the low subscriber count, YouTube doesn't really prioritize my videos in the search. So, once you leave this channel, if you don't subscribe, you might not be able to find the channel again. So, just let you know, I'm going to do about 2 or 3 TA videos every single day. So, if you want this information, just subscribe. And when you hit subscribe, hit the bell, and then click on all, and that way you'll be notified every time I release a new video. Okay, getting back to Dogecoin here. On the weekly time frame, this is just a beautiful textbook pattern here. This is called a bull pennant, and I'll show you what that looks like here, right here. Basically, you have the flagpole, the big run up, and then you start making lower highs and higher lows together, and then they kind of converge. And where the point where it converges, then the price has to make a decision whether it goes up or it goes down. But more often than not, this is a bullish pattern, so the price tends to break upwards. Okay, so I've decided to draw this pennant connecting the wicks from the top and the bottom wicks, just because I don't want any false signal. So I'm going to personally trade this on a weekly time frame, and if I'm wrong, then it's a long way down to my stop loss, right? So no, I haven't entered this trade yet. I'm waiting for the breakout, but what I'm looking for is a candle body to close above this down sloping resistance line. When I see that, along with volume, so I have the volume indicator on the other chart, then that's my signal to get in. Now I would anticipate that once we break out, we'll probably get a little bit of resistance right here. I'm just kind of guessing what's going to happen with the price here, but in terms of the levels, I imagine this right here is going to be a level of resistance. So it's about 9 cents. So 0.0914. It might wick up, but the first level of resistance on this is going to be this level, and perhaps we come up, we might get rejected, and the price may come down to retest this downsloping resistance line as a support level, because that's what will typically happen. You get the initial move, then a move down, a retest, and then it'll make the move for real. Now, the textbook price target for this pattern is quite high. Essentially, what you do is you take the flagpole and then you project it from the breakout point, and that'll take us into it'll take us to at least a few dollars, right? Now, of course, you might be wondering what's going to happen with Dogecoin to be able to hit those price targets. I don't know. Who knows what the news could be? Maybe Elon Musk is going to implement it with his new Twitter X platform or whatever. Who knows? All I know is the technicals on this look really good. It's definitely something to watch. Okay, so if the price does break out here, what are your potential targets aside from the ultimate target way up there from projecting the flagpole out? Well, the first one was going to be this level I just drew. I would also be looking for, let me see here. I'm going to take a Fibonacci. I'm going to draw from the top to the bottom this time. And I'll look to the 50% level and see if that lines up with anything. Okay, so I do have confluence at the 50% Fibonacci. So that's right here at around a little over 18 cents. So I'll be looking to that. And then up here, the golden pocket is likely going to give us a little bit of resistance, well, probably a lot of resistance. And that is the range between about 26 cents up to 28 cents. So right here and right here, once that breaks the 786 and then ultimately the all-time high, the previous all-time high, and then up from there. Now, there's no guarantee this is going to break out, so I'm just waiting patiently for a candle body to close above here on the weekly time frame. If you want to trade the daily, you can too. We have not closed a daily candle above that either yet. So see, we're coming up, we're touching it right now on the daily, and we're getting rejected from it. Well, not necessarily rejected, but there is a little bit of a sell-off. So if a candle body closes above this daily, above this resistance line on the daily time frame, that's also a very positive sign, because that hasn't happened throughout this entire downtrend. So yeah, Dogecoin is definitely one to keep on your radar. This is, very, very technical, very bullish pattern. Look for a candle body to close above. If you miss that, then you see it come back. Maybe you might want to enter on the retest of this if if everything else looks good, maybe it'll come back and start forming a doji right around here, like an indecision candle or reversal candle, and that would be a good sign to maybe get in with a tight stop loss just below. But again, yeah, not financial advice, not telling you what to do, just kind of trying to bring this to your attention. You notice here, I should mention this here, within this bull pennant, I've marked this here. This is a trend line, these little green dots here. The price reacts to this level quite often. So you see it was a resistance level here, and then it was support this entire time as the candle bodies fought to close above that range. And then again, it was support right here. So if the price, right now, if the price gets rejected and it comes back down here, this may be a good place to try to get in. So maybe the candle body will close above here. It might wick down to the lower support line here. If the price, say if Bitcoin dumped and the price came back here on Dogecoin, and I saw a candle that closed with the wick and then a candle body close above here, I would probably enter that position as well. Okay, yeah, hope that helps, guys. And again, if you're not subscribed and you want to get more updates and alerts, then just subscribe now. All right, guys, have a good day. Bye. Hey, guys, so I finished recording that video and I forgot that there's something I wanted to show you. Okay, so when I was talking about the potential catalyst for the big run-up, the explosive move out of the bull pennant pattern, and I mentioned, maybe Elon Musk implementing it within X, or formerly Twitter. It's now called X. This is Elon Musk's profile, and right here, I know he's always like kind of shilling Dogecoin or whatever, but so he has X, and then right here, this D. This is the Dogecoin logo. He kind of just like hit it right here in his location. The Dogecoin logo is right there, and I mean, look, it's a D with like a little mark in the center. I mean, that's the Dogecoin logo. So yeah, I don't know what they were planning with this. Anyway, guys, just thought that was interesting. All right, take care. Bye.